أول شي إحنا بآسيا، يمكن بمثل آسيا، ماني متأكد. Okay, we are going to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We love Kuala Lumpur because it's the biggest city in the world. I'm joking. Burj Khalifa. So look at these clouds. What can you conclude? Where are we going? I said Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Bye.